Hey everyone, this is Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mushroom, mustard, and cream sauce. It is a great sauce to serve with pork, chicken, beef, even with a pasta. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. We're going to be using 8 ounces of white mushrooms. You can also substitute with the mushroom of your choice. Start by slicing the mushrooms. Then, peel and finely dice 1 shallot. And finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Next, in a large pan over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter and a good drizzle of olive oil. Add the shallots and sauté until they start to become translucent. Then, add the sliced mushrooms. Season with some salt and fresh ground black pepper. Cook the mushrooms until they start to soften and reduce in size. Then, add the chopped garlic and the leaves of 2 sprigs of thyme. Sauté for a couple minutes, then add 1 cup of chicken stock. Then, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of whole grain mustard. Add half cup of heavy cream. Then lower the heat and let the sauce simmer until the desired thickness is achieved. The longer the sauce simmers, the creamier it will get. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning if needed. And this mushroom, mustard, and cream sauce is ready to serve. I am serving mine today with some red cabbage, sauerkraut, and apple salad, and a potato-crusted pork chop schnitzel. As I mentioned in the beginning, this sauce goes well with any protein of your choice. I'm also garnishing the dish with some clear red cabbage chips, which you can find the recipe on my channel. And now it is time to eat. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.